like, yeah, that's a pool deck right there. So, and that's where his shirt was. And then the next one over right there. So. Sheriff's office with a canine, announce yourself, you're gonna get bit. Sheriff's canine, announce yourself, you're gonna get bit. Out of pocket. It looks fine, but just double check it again. Hey, come here. Hey, Sarge. Cash. We have cash in the front yard of 2127, I think. 20, I don't know, the one with the pool that we found the shirt in, but this is in the front yard.
I copy, thank you.
Here. Right. On the pocket. On the pocket. Pocket! Show me your f***ing ass! Show me your ass! Pocket, buddy! Show me your ass! Pocket! Get your f***ing ass up! Get off the dog! Freeze, doggy, freeze! Freeze here! Pocket, buddy! Show me your f***ing ass! You fucking film! Pocket, buddy! Good boy! Well, Taki, man! Pocket! Hey! Stop! Shut up! Put your hands behind your back! Woo-wee! Good boy, buddy!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. Woo-wee! Tongue, pocket, buddy! Oh, yeah, that's good boy! Wow, buddy! Oh, yeah, that's good boy! Shut up! Yeah! Oh, yeah, that's good, man! Hold on. Hey, get that lead. He's chewing on it.
Please, you have to. I'm not going to do anything. Please don't go.
Taki, oust the lead. Oh, yeah, watch that, baby. Good boy, Taki, man, yeah. Watch him, buddy. Oh, yeah, that's a good boy.
Too much background.
That's right. Yeah, Taki, man. You the man, Bubbas. Woo-wee. God dog.